Now, the Supreme Court will today hear a petition filed by Sara Abdullah Pilot challenging the detention of her brother and National Conference leader Omar Abdullah under the Jammu and Kashmir Public Safety Act. The plea will be heard by a new bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra. Earlier, Justice Shantanu Gowda at the Apex Court had recused himself from hearing the matter. Sara, in her plea, claims her brother's detention is illegal and there were no grounds to book him under PSA. The government imposed PSA against Omar Abdullah on February 7th after the former chief minister had spent 6 months in detention. The Jammu and Kashmir administration defended the imposition of PSA, saying that the former chief minister had allegedly made attempts to provoke general masses against the revocation of Articles 370 and 35A. My colleague Anisha Mathur is now joining me live on the story. Anisha, what is expected in the Supreme Court today? Because a new bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra will be hearing this petition which has been filed by Mrs. Sara Abdullah Pilot.
Well, yes, Paulmi, and as we've been discussing, what Sara Abdullah Pilot in her petition has said is that not only was the PSA imposition of February 5th illegal, the fact that he's remained in custody under Section 107 of CRPC itself was illegal because he has not made any statements against the interest of India, against democracy. She's in fact argued that he is one of the most senior political leaders who have always advocated that joining Indian politics, that joining democracy, and he was one of the people who's been influencing people to come out and vote in the in the elections called by the Election Commission of India. She's also argued that there was no ground to detain Omar Abdullah further under PSA because he's already remained under custody for 6 months and there is no current apprehension of him having made any statement or having done any action which is against national interest. So she's questioned why exactly has her brother now been slapped with PSA detention. It'll be interesting to see what the court is going to say about this today, and the government also, of course, is expected to put their point forward.
Right. Anisha, thank you so much for bringing us those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.